Hi everybody, and welcome to this video where we are asking the question, are you using video to help you get hired if you're currently looking for a new job? Well, you should, because video can help you stand out in a crowded field of applicants. And as you know, in today's competitive job market, recruiters are going through hundreds, maybe thousands of applicants for every open position. So what you want to do is wow recruiters from the outset. You want to show that you have something extra and you want to stand out with a competitive advantage. And video can be that competitive advantage. So we have two ideas here, how you can use to better improve your hiring prospects using video. The first idea is to create a video bio that you post on LinkedIn and add to your resume. And secondly, sending a personalized video follow-up after you've submitted an application or after you've had your first round of interviews. So what is a video bio? Well, it's a good question, and it is not something that a lot of other people are using right now, so if you do it well, you're going to stand out from others. And it probably looks a lot like your existing resume. You've got all the information there around your work experiences, your education, a little bit about you, your interests and skills. All that is great information for a video bio. But you're going to say it and record it in a way where all those experiences come to life in a new way. You're able to narrate your story and really personalize your experiences in a way that's never going to happen in a PDF. And you can do this video bio in just 4 easy steps. You're going to add slides and record in and then after you publish, you'll have a link that you can then use to create a QR code that you can paste right into your resume. And while you're at it, you've already got the link, why not add it to your LinkedIn profile so that anybody who's looking at your profile can go ahead and watch that video bio. And if you don't know how to create a QR code, all you have to do is Google it. There's lots of sites that will turn that video link into a QR code that the recruiter can scan when you add it to your resume. Now, for the second idea, sending a personalized video follow-up. So if you've established communication with a recruiter and maybe you've had your first interview, you want to send a thank you. Well, why not do that with a video? You can actually record your thank you, give it a little bit more animation, give it a little bit more life, talk about what you really enjoyed, some thoughts that you've had coming out of that, and just add more information to your application that others are not going to be doing. So this is simple, just 3 easy steps. Same thing as the video bio, you're going to add slides and record in You're going to create a link, and then you're just going to drop that link into the email that you send in the follow-up. And we think that if you do all this, you're going to get hired. Recruiters will be loving all of the ways in which you showed care and intention for this application. And that means you can spend more time celebrating, which is exactly what you should be doing. Now, if you've got any questions at all, please, we would love to hear from you. Join our community where you can ask questions to other users, or just email us, help@mmhmm.app. We would love to help problem solve. And with that, good luck. You've got this. We wish you all the best. We'll see you next time. Thanks.